Driver Squad Chaseway. What's going on, Driver Squad Chaseway, with a new video. I'm currently on pocket option right now. I'm currently looking at AUD JPY on the 5-minute mark, but I'm going to switch it to a 1-minute mark and show y'all what everything is looking like. Currently, as you can tell, I have my stochastic oscillator, have my RSI, have 3 moving averages, and let's just go at the top. So I have my 50 SMA as my white line. I have my 21 SMA as my green line, and I have my 200 SMA as my purple line. You can make it darker with the pixels on everything so you can see everything better. Then I also have my RSI as period as 5. Then I have my styles. I have my high is at 85 and my low is at 15. And then I have my stochastic oscillator as regular, and everything is just regular. So basically, I want to pay attention to what trend are we in. As you see, as the white and green line passes the 200, you see that you're in this uptrend, so you want to be looking for buys. Majority of everything you want to make sure that you buy, meaning at this point right here for the stochastic, when it crosses, once it goes down and it goes up from right here, you want to be buying everything. So let's just say from 408 to 424, you could at least had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 wins. Let's just say I said 4, 8. Yeah, you could at least had 10 wins right there easily. 4, 8 to 416. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 3 losses. That's pretty good. Sometimes you're not gonna win all of them, but the best thing, you want to just be patient. You can really only buy when the RSI touches. Sell. Once the RSI touches the red, get ready for the sell. The stochastic oscillator will 9 times out of 10 let you know that was a good trade. And majority of the time, you always just want to wait for everything to go and follow trends, so that way you won't get faked out. As you see on AUD CAD, everything trying to go up, but you don't want to get in yet, simply because you at least want to let the RSI pass the 50, and you want to make sure that your green line is going to be passing that white line. As you see right here, this is on the downtrend, so that means you should be buying nothing but sales from here on out. And since I'm on a 1 minute, we're gonna let this candle play itself out, and we just gonna get in, and I'm gonna just show y'all what real work look like. So we got 14 seconds. The key thing of trading binary options, you want to make sure you sell when it says 0, 1. So you want to hit the lower button at 0, 1. You take your sell, take your position right there. And so now you're able to see what's going on, the open price and the current price. And now we wait 40 seconds less, taking my position as a sale, and now we have nothing better to do than just wait. Do 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 do. Do. And as we wait, we got 10 seconds left. The difference is the the largest distance we had was 4 points, and right there we just won. We won 850, and that's basically how that goes. Sometimes you can ride the trend. You see how it stay right there. Take another sell position. It's better to just stay within the trend. Don't look nowhere else. Since we are only looking for sales, you want to stay within the sales. You don't want to look nowhere else. Ain't no need to. Alright, so now I know we're going to win that one for sure, but let's just take a look at our real account. And you always want to just trade 10% of what's in your account. To start off with, of course, we are in the trend of sale. You can just, of course, you're only going to be looking for sales, but you got to watch for spikes. So, as you see, Euro CAD is spiking right now. So, you just want to wait to see what this does. This might have a little push up, so it might push up just a little bit, then go back down. So, while we wait for that to do that, we are going to look at AUD CAD. So, as you see, it's still, it really haven't made its move yet, and that's okay. It can be a potential buy. And what I mean by buy, if you look at the stochastic, you see it's pushing through. But first, we got to make sure that this candle closes out and above the 50. Because if it does, then we good for a buy. So it closes out, okay, and everything pushes itself out. So we're above the 200, and we are, what is this? That's the 21 moving average. So we right there on the 21 moving average. It closed out above it. Now we are just waiting to see the final stage. So now we just wait. We have 30 seconds left. And now we're on my real account where everything matters. This is how you bring home the bacon. So we're on +1. The largest is still +1. Okay, we moved up to +2. +3. Okay, it's looking like it started to build some momentum in the upward direction. It's on 5. So it's safe to say the direction is still going up. So it was safe to say the trend is making its way back up. Okay. So it's definitely making its way back up. It might push itself all the way through. So we won $3.50. We still trading 10% of what we have in our account. 10% of what we have in our account. So we're going to wait to see what this next candle does. Of course, if I was to get in on the next candle, it would be a buy. But we just going to wait to see what it does. Okay, it's stuck at 890. When you get stuck like this, sometimes you just don't know what to do. So we're just going to move on. AUD USD, what trend is currently in a buy position. So what we are going to do, we are going to let this play itself out. We're going to wait for the stochastic to cross over. And we're going to wait for the green line on the RSI right here to go down. So as we wait for that, we're going to get in on one candle. Looking like this is the crossover, but don't be fooled. You definitely want to make sure the RSI is touching that red before you get in, because it has a possibility to continue to go up. Okay, so as it comes down, let's see what it does. Okay, that's scary. So we're gonna go to the Euro CAD. Okay, now we're back to the sales. It pushed itself up just a little bit. It wasn't really ready to stay up a little bit. It's trying to, but we're gonna see what it does. What's this? Okay, it officially is making its way down. D. Okay, something just happened in the market. The US dollar just tanked. Well, the US dollar just got stronger. That's just what happened. The US dollar definitely just got stronger. Okay, it's making its way up a little bit. Uh-oh. Looking like we got a downtrend coming. Let's see what this next candle does. If it closes out below the 200, then you know we in for a good little ride. Let me start these. So that way we get that switch. Euro, AUD. So far this is the only one underneath the 200. So this is a sale at its finest. Okay, we can get in for a sale on this one. And the reason why I was so adamant on getting in the sale, it closed below the 200. You have not a strong trend, but you basically have like you basically have like a point where it broke its support level while it was I can delete that. I can delete that. Minus 1 point. I was trying to explain something, but we won that. So far we have won $7 since we've been on here. We can move up to $6 now. Now we're gonna let this fake push come back up. So we're gonna let that candle do what it does. This candle, this currency pair is starting to come up. I feel like I'm real deal teaching, which is crazy. Okay, so you see how it just touched that candle. Sometimes it's easy to read, sometimes it's not. I'm not gonna be as honest. Well, I'm gonna be as honest. Sometimes these charts can trick you out. It'll lie to you real quick. But sometimes you just gotta pay attention to like the wicks as you're looking at now, as it just touched the 200. It ain't officially ready to go into buy mode. Alrighty. So you see it's stuck right there. We plus 2 points, plus 3 points. Got 40 seconds plus 4 points. Plus 2 points. Plus 3. Alrighty. It's about to make its way down. That's 0. The current price is still at 8.59, so that's why I haven't moved. So if it stays right there, we just get our money back, but we didn't have to. We won $10.02. So right now we just won $11.20 so far with 3 trades. Let me see. Normally I'm not as you know, this is just today. I took 2 trades ago, just being ignorant. And as you can tell, I took losses for $70 and $8. But you see, sometimes you have good days if you just be conservative, and sometimes you have great days if you just take your time with it. And right there, that go our 3 trades. So that's gonna end today's session, and I'll see y'all in another video. Chase Way out.